Okay, so we're just gonna go and check out a cable that I've been having some issues with. Today we're just gonna have a look at, we're actually out of the studio, and we're gonna have a look at repairing one of these cables, just a standard patch cable, but this one stopped working on me. So basically I need to see if I can fix that, and should be just as simple as using a soldering iron and some wire, and we'll see if we can't repair that solder instead of going out and buying another cable. I'll show you how to do that. If this video is helpful to you at all, hit the like button, and if you do me a favor, we're just growing the channel, hit the subscribe link at the bottom below and the notification bell too, and you'll be notified of any other videos that could help you in your home recording studio or mobile recording as well. So anyway, let's jump into it. Okay, so to get started here, basically all we're going to do is have a look at our cable, and that cable is just the standard 1/4 inch patch cable. It's a 1 foot, just a guitar pedal cable really. Take this sleeve here and just unscrew it and just pull the sleeve back, and then you should be able to have a look at the solder points there. So I'm not sure if this will focus or not. We've got the break point right here, if you can see that. There you go, maybe that helps. So there's our break point. That's why the cable's not working. So I just basically want to put a solder tip on top of that. Okay, just a solder tip there, and be able to fix that. Pretty straightforward. Okay, I'm just going to take my soldering cable here, my wire. Okay, and then I'm going to take my soldering gun, make sure it's got heat, which it does. And all I'm going to do is just hold the cable in place here. Just keep it upright, I guess. It's not really doing anything else other than just laying it flat on the table like this. Okay, and then that way I'll be able to kind of show you what I'm doing here. Okay, so I've got my cable. Want to make sure I've got, you know, maybe as close a connection as I can. And I'm just going to put that right over top of my wire. And I'm going to hold my trigger. There we go. Okay. And I'll do a couple more just to make sure that it's on there nice and good. Okay. It's not the greatest weld job in the world, but it'll do the trick. Put the gun aside. Just make sure when you put the gun aside, the tip's still going to be super hot, so just put it somewhere where it's not going to burn anything else or melt anything else. Okay, so these things cool off pretty quick. Okay, so we'll just have a look at the weld there. Okay, it looks like I got it, but you know what, just to be extra certain, I'm going to just pull that back a little bit, and I'm going to get the underside of it. Like I said, it's not even barely warm to the touch, so I'll just pull the sleeve back over top. Okay. Go like that. Double check the other side while I'm here. Make sure it's got connection, which it does. You can see there. Okay. It's got good connection there. Only way to know is to try it out. So we'll plug it into a pedal, plug in a guitar, make sure it works, and then we're all good. Let's check it out. Okay. So we're going to plug in our Tremonti PRS. So I should be able to just replace this cable. with the one we fixed. Give it a shake test. So thanks for being here and thanks for checking that out. You know, when you're able to make your own repairs on cables and things like that, it's going to save you a lot of money down the road. Hopefully this video helped you, and if it did, please hit the like button at the bottom. Also, if you want to see more videos for home studio recording or mobile recording as well, click the subscribe link at the bottom and the notification bell. We're just growing the channel out, so your help is very appreciated in doing that. So thank you very much for being here. It means a lot to me, and keep making music.